Are you looking for the best bike toolkit for your bike? Then there is no doubt that you have come to the right place. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best bike toolkit from reputable brands. After very much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. We can only assure you that here you will find the best bike toolkit with the right quality reviews. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Then why is it late? Let's get started. Number 1. Axch Robot Store Bicycle Repair Bag and Repair Toolkit. Our top pick for the best bike toolkit is the Axch Robot Store Kit. Due to its compact style, good range of tools, and ability to be easily attached to the bike, this bike kit is great for on the go. All of the tools pack neatly away into a compact bag. The bag has straps so will easily slip on to the top tube of your bike. But it is also small enough to be packed away into a bag without taking up too much space. The tools included in this kit aren't too complicated, but this is a good thing. Some of the other options on this list have a lot of professional grade tools. These aren't necessary if you just need a few tools for when you run into difficulties. If your main concern is getting a puncture or your chain coming off, then you don't need a huge kit with lots of heavy-duty tools. This is a great little kit to have on you to make sure that, should anything happen, you're prepared. This is a just-in-case kit that may never be used. But that's a much better option than being stuck with no way of riding your bike. Due to this, it's also great that this kit is so affordable. You don't need to spend hundreds on tools that you may never use. Number 2. Cyclists Brand 23-Piece Bike Toolkit. Cyclists have been in the business of making tools for bicycle lovers for over 10 years, and their cost-effective 23-piece toolkit was awarded Amazon's Choice. This kit is comprehensive and easy to use for both new and experienced bike mechanics or hobbyists. It's portable, durable. This cast of implements gives you everything you need to conduct emergency repairs, regular maintenance, and upgrades to your bike. The box is organized with a resting place for each tool, and closes tightly with 2 strong clamps, so your tools won't fall off or get messy. The cartridge bottom bracket tool included accommodates Shimano electric bikes, meaning that this kit will work perfectly for most of your Shimano cartridge repair needs. However, no toolkit can be perfect. Depending on your needs, the Cyclists kit may be lacking some components, such as a cable cutter and a rotor turning fork. It's also missing chain cleaning implements like brushes and standard consumables like chain grease and rubber gloves. You may want to acquire these extra tools to supplement the kit, but the box is very rigid about what goes inside. It might be a bit inconvenient to try to keep all your bike maintenance tools together. Number 3. BIKEHAND 19-Piece Bike Bicycle Repair Toolkit. This toolkit is best suited for somewhere who knows what they are doing, but not necessarily someone who is a complete fanatic. This is a hobbyist toolkit. It doesn't have the huge capacity and number of tools like the BIKEHAND kit. But this isn't a kit you can carry about either. This kit has everything you need to properly fix your bike. But you definitely need some previous knowledge before using it. Although this kit doesn't have as many tools as other similar kits, it is a little pricey. If this kit has tools that you absolutely need, then the price isn't too high. It is higher than average, but isn't very expensive. Pros. Wide range of tools included. Includes replacement screwdriver heads. Comes in compact case. Cons. Higher than average price. Number 4. Park Tool Axch 5 Bicycle Mechanic Toolkit. The Axch 5 is a massive thorough bike maintenance kit with 36 multi-tools and some extras. This bike repair kit is a great place to start if you want to begin a shop-quality bicycle tool lineup, making it excellent for beginners or new mechanics. The Park Tool Axch 5 comes with the 4th edition of the Big Blue Book of Bicycle Repair, an updated bicycle repair reference guide that can suit any mechanic or hobbyist, regardless of experience. The Axch 5 specializes in multi-speed chain maintenance and cleaning, unlike other kits. It can suit almost any bike chain type, making it an essential and versatile collection of tools. These tools come in a heavy-duty toolbox complete with a tray insert and small outer compartments for easier organization. The toolbox design accommodates a lot of extra tools, but it is not as lightweight and portable as other toolkits. The Axch 5 is perhaps the most thorough bike repair toolset you can buy, but it does come with a hefty price tag and no warranty. This kit may not be for you if you're interested in a more basic or cost-effective toolkit. Number 5. BIKEHAND 22-piece quality bicycle repair toolkit. BIKEHAND is an upstart company based in Taiwan that has gathered attention for the quality and price of its bicycle tools. BIKEHAND's quality bicycle repair set contains over 21 tools. While the BIKEHAND set doesn't have everything, it has most of what you need for both your standard and electric bikes. The heat-treated steel tools are strong and work well. The BIKEHAND Tools kit box is lightweight, portable, and designed with organization in mind. You shouldn't have much trouble with tools falling out or with keeping the inside of the box clean. It doesn't have much additional storage space like the Part 2 Axch 5, though. However, this kit doesn't have the advantage of a trusted name behind it. User reviews say that the product works well, but some consumers will want to buy from a well-known brand. Thanks for watching my video. That's all from my end. I make helpful and quality videos daily. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, please do check out my description. Like and share this video with your friends and family. Stay updated with our new reviews as it will make your life much easier. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new videos and information. Thank you.